Hello and welcome to Stryde. Today we're going to spend a few minutes together discussing what Stryde is and the opportunity it creates for business consultants and those that desire to enter the business consulting industry. Very simply put, Stryde is opportunity. That statement may sound overly generic, maybe a little vague, or even boastfully broad, but I would ask you, how else would you describe a market that is completely devoid of competition, that while being devoid of competition is currently right now in the midst of the largest transition of wealth the world has ever seen? What in the world am I talking about? Well, according to this study, and many just like it, 54% plus of the privately held businesses in this country, there's about 28 million of them, by the way, 54%, which is approximately 17 million businesses, have started and will continue to change hands through sales, succession, consolidation, and closure over the coming 8 to 10 years. These tens of millions of businesses, business owners, and managers are currently seeking the best advice available in the fields of tax mitigation, expense management, and finance, not only to maximize current profits, but also to prepare for their own transitions. According to this, and many studies like this, 86% of these businesses lack the qualified representation to maximize profits, minimize expenses, and get or even start getting prepared for their own transition. Every professional in every business encounters many hurdles in their efforts to realize success, many times chief among them being that of competition. You sit in the unique position of being in a market that is 86% open. That's the least saturated market in existence, while simultaneously being the most lucrative. We created the cost remediation industry, which is at the core of every successful business consulting practice. By mitigating taxes and expenses, we are able to enhance the profits of every business you speak to, from Main Street to Wall Street and everywhere in between. Enhanced profitability is the one focus that is universal across all businesses and business owners. And with our system, even if you're just entering the market, you get to bring that most professional level of service and team to the table. So let's take a look at these screenshots of our proprietary app. This app you get to put on your phone, tablet, and computer, and by asking a few simple questions, you are able to show any business owner on the spot how you're going to change their lives. In a matter of moments, you get to initiate a relationship by giving rather than taking. When was the last time you got to start a relationship by handing somebody a pile of money rather than asking for it? That's exactly what we do. And best yet, you get to do it on our dollar. Everything we do at no out-of-pocket risk to the client. We will run our studies, do our work on our dollar, and your clients will only owe us money when and if we've identified a benefit, and only then as a percentage of that benefit. So now you get to start or grow your consulting practice, not at your client's risk or even that of your own. Rather, you get to do it on us, all while being paid aggressively. In fact, you don't even need to be the expert. Now, you can be, if you like, as our platform facilitates that opportunity as well. But for now, while you're learning, our system identifies the needs based on the qualified for services, lines up the appropriate team members for your call so that you are able to bring your team, yes, we become your team, to the table, the most qualified team in the country, by booking a simple discovery call wherein we're going to bring this thing home for you. So now, are you going to change your life by getting your share of this incredibly unique moment in history and by giving every business owner in America exactly what they're already looking for on our dollar? You and I both know the answer to that. We look forward to working with you here at Stryde. Thank you for your time today.